Alpha.
Sports photography demands precision, and this is how I capture the milliseconds with Sony's Alpha 9 Mark III. My go-to is shooting at 30 frames per second, but when the critical moment arises, I'll hit the custom button on the Alpha 9 Mark III to unleash 120 frames per second continuous shooting speed boost, capturing every single beat. Another standout feature is pre-capture. This incredible feature allows the Alpha 9 Mark III to buffer up to 1 second. When a pivotal action occurs, the camera seamlessly captures all the frames from the previous second with flawless autofocus. Not only do these two features guarantee I capture the perfect shot, it also opens up creative opportunities for composite images using the multiple frames. The Alpha 9 Mark III has given me a newfound confidence in capturing athletes at the peak of their performances, elevating my sports photography to new heights.
Sony.